Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250 and F-350 pickup trucks. Now we put a 3-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20x9 fuel Mavericks in a chrome finish, and some 37 1250 R20 Radar Renegade all-terrain tires. We also installed a 40-inch integrated LED light bar into the bumper. The light bar and the brackets are made by Rough Country. Let's talk about this 3-inch rough country lift. They offer it in two different options. You can get it with or without springs in the front. If you want to save a little bit of money, $100 less, and you don't get the springs, if you want to get new springs, it's an extra $100. However, the install of this lift is simple. It's not as easy as a 2-inch level or a 1-inch level, but it is easy. All that you have to do is throw in some new control arm drop brackets and a track bar drop bracket. Neither of those are intimidating. However, our tip for you comes with aligning the steering wheel. After you lift it, your steering wheel will be off, and most people would take it to an alignment shop. However, you can do it yourself. If you take the drag link and you just loosen the two nuts, you can adjust the drag link on your truck. So what we recommend doing is driving the truck, getting it driving straight. Park the truck so your steering wheel is going to be off, adjust that drag link adjustment until the steering wheel is straight, tighten the nuts back, you're good to go. You just saved your money from the alignment shop. I apologize, I forgot this tip. When you disconnect your track bar, your body of your truck will shift because the track bar is what keeps the body center on the axle. And in order to put your track bar relocation bracket on, you have to disconnect it. So we recommend put your springs on, put your shocks on, get everything ready, put your tires and wheels on, and drop the truck on the ground. Now your cab's gonna be shifted over and you're not gonna know how to connect your track bar. What you need to do is you need to have somebody get in the driver's seat, start the truck, and then turn the steering wheel, and the truck will shift either to the left or the right. If it shifts to the left, turn the steering wheel the other way, and it will go to the right. If it shifts to the right, turn it the other way, and it'll shift to the left. Do that, get the track bar to line up with the new hole in the track bar relocation bracket, throw it in there, tighten it down, you'll be good to go. These fuel Mavericks and the Radar Renegades, we have a tire and wheel matchup video for you, so if you would just go search and you can get all of the details with all the sizes and finishes that Fuel offer. Their wheel in Maverick is the most popular wheel. It has been the most popular wheel for at least 4 years, and it will probably be the most popular wheel to come for a little bit. So dealers, if you're looking to build a truck with some tires and wheels that you know will sell, these Mavericks are for sure a good, surefire wheel. Parents, if you're looking to buy wheels for your kids and you don't know which wheel to get, Mavericks, great wheel to get. Most popular wheel, everybody loves them. So besides that, we have Rough Country's 40-inch integrated light bar into the front. It's an easy install. You just take off the factory hooks, throw Rough Country's brackets in, wire it up, and you're good to go. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I just wish I could buy this truck how it is. I don't want to go to the dealer and buy one and then bring it to you and have you do it. I just wish I could buy it pre-built. Well, now on our website, we are going to start advertising the vehicles that we've built for dealers. If you go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, we will start listing the vehicles that we have previously built for dealers. So hopefully the idea is you can go there, you can find the vehicle that you want, for instance, this truck, contact the dealer and they can sell it to you, whether they have to ship it, whether you have to go pick it up. Hopefully you can get your vehicle without having to do anything to it. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels or some rails or the lights or a lift or anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.